Hello again. Today we have another Acer laptop for disassembly. This one is a bit older model. This is Acer Aspire 5755. The problem with the laptop, when you play some sound, it makes some cracking noises from the speakers. Probably the membranes of the speakers are tear apart or something like that. So I have to open the laptop and check what's going on. So let's start. We're going to remove all the screws from the back, and I think we should be able to lift the front plastic with the keyboard. We're going to take out the hard drive. We're going to disconnect the Wi-Fi, because I think, or maybe not, we'll see. I think we may not be, we may not need to lift the board if the speakers are on the upper plastic. So let's remove the screws and we'll check. All the screws are the same size here, except the ones which are under the battery. So we need to remove the optical drive, and the way the screws are coming out, I think we'll have a lot of broken plastic rivets, but we'll see. Now we have to remove this part here. We're going to use something sharp. Be careful with the keyboard, because we have to lift everything, so touchpad is coming out first. Yeah. So we have one screw here which was holding the keyboard. So now I think we should be able to lift everything. Quite a funny design. Let's disconnect the touchpad. I think it will be easier to work. So now we can lift the rest and disconnect the keyboard. And the power button cable also. Now those are the speakers. The right one is okay, the left one Probably you can see I disconnect the microphone, sorry. That's the speaker. I don't know, can the camera focus, but yeah, the speaker is gone. So let me try. We have three options here. The first one, of course, is replacing the speaker with a new one, but since this is a old model, we may not be able to find the same speaker new. I doubt the customer will wait if I order something from AliExpress or eBay. The second option is I have to check my spare part laptops if I have the same speaker from another laptop. And the third option, of course, we can put a different speaker here. We can use some hot glue or something like that in order for the speaker to work. That's the most dodgy repair, but we have also another option, which we're gonna leave the laptop only with the left speaker, but if we can replace it, I think it will be best for the customer. So let me check, do I have the same speaker here, and we'll be right back. So I did check about the new speakers. There is nothing available in the local suppliers. I did check about the same speaker in my boxes, also I couldn't find. I spoke with the customer. The customer says he just wants some sound, and if I can try to fit something inside, it will be better than nothing. So you won't like the fix, but we're gonna fit a different speaker on the laptop. This is from a different Acer. It is smaller, of course. The Acer one is 4 ohms 2 watts. This one is also 4 ohms 2 watts, so it won't be a problem. The sound will be probably a little bit different, but yeah, the customer is informed. So now this one here sits like this, and it doesn't block the battery mechanism. So pretty much we have to somehow stick this in here also, so it won't block the battery. So the speaker is on this side. Yeah, we're gonna glue this like this. Only I'll cut this plastic here, and I think it will fit nicely. We're gonna put it like this. Yeah, it will be something like that. I'm gonna use a little bit of hot glue. I'm gonna put it here, and after that we're gonna stick the speaker. We're gonna connect it. Since it's from my Acer again, the connector is the same. Like I said, you won't like the solution, but yeah, customer is informed. We're gonna deliver a dodgy repair. Better than nothing. Mechanism is working. The speaker is on place. So right now we have to connect it. We're gonna put the cables someplace here so they don't block the optical drive. Like I said, dodgy repair, don't judge me, customer is informed, so we are not doing something illegal. We have the speaker mounted, so let's connect back the keyboard. Try to close it, of course, but I think it won't be a problem. Yeah, so right now we just have to connect the power button and the keyboard. We're gonna connect also the touchpad, and we're gonna test. Yeah, everything fits nicely. Let me connect the touchpad. Let me get the charger. So let's plug the hard drive, of course, so we can test. Powering on the laptop. We have picture. Windows is installing some updates. So let's check. Yeah, both speakers are working. Let's see only. Now that's the left one, the original, and that's the right one. Pretty much not big of a difference. So yeah, we're gonna call it a dodgy fix. Let me power off the laptop. So yeah, let me put the screw here for the keyboard, here, and we're gonna close it. Now, since the video went a little bit longer than I expected, I won't keep you waiting. Now the only thing I gotta do is just put all the screws back, the shorter ones under the battery, put the optical drive, and call the customer. Like I said, it's a dodgy repair, but a weak speaker is better than no speaker. The laptop is used by a small child to watch some cartoons or something like that, so it's not big of a deal. So I hope you liked the video. Bye bye for now.